Alright. It's that time again, my friends. I'm out here and I'm looking for yard and garage sales, moving sales, estate sales, any kind of sales. So if you're into that sort of content, head over to your fridge, grab your favorite drink, head back over here to your screen, and let's enjoy the show. It's looking like another day in paradise. What do you say? Oh yeah.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
Having fun? There you go. Clothing. All right, you have a good one. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, enjoy it. Beautiful day.
Chairs and knocking down tables in a restaurant in a West End town. Call the police as a man led around, up and down, underground to the dive bar in West End town. In West End town, a dead end world. The East End boys and West End girls. In West End town, a dead end world. The East End boys and West End girls. West End girls.
Any meat cleavers by any chance?
No.
Just knives, huh? Kind of here. Chicago cutlery.
That one's like antique.
Yeah, this is a carbon steel. It's an oldie. Been sharpened a lot too.
Yeah.
Alright, it wasn't that big of a day. Yard sailing. Got a few items, as you can see. Nothing too big, nothing too fancy. So let's start off with this. This is a wooden fish. This is more modern. I think this is probably like 90s. This is definitely a vintage wooden fish. Decorative piece. He has a little crack up on his lip. I'll take care of that. Keeping that. This is interesting. Definitely looks very old. No markings that I can see other than that right there. If that's something. Yeah. Thought that was interesting. This thing's pretty cool. Made out of nails. Vintage nails. It's missing the ball. I think it's petrified wood. Stamped over there, California, something. Easy fix on that one. Got 3 skillets here. Taiwan. 8-inch. I believe that's another 8-inch. I got a little small one here. 3. This thing's pretty cool. USA. Takes a cork. Really good condition. Forgot the name of these, but yeah, these are pretty popular. A lot of people collect those. Very nice find right here. Let me see if I can get you the name. Harbinger HA120 4-channel mixer, 120 watts, mint condition. That's gonna go real quick. Swiss Army pocket knife. Pardon me. I have this same model sitting over there. I don't even know the name of the model, but anyways, nice little find. Definitely, I think the best find of the day was this Camelius 1968 pocket knife. And also this Norton abrasive stone. Very good condition. I don't even see much wear. It's just dirty. It has the original sheath. Basically a sleeve. pretty much it. If you guys and gals see anything you like, feel free to hit me up on Instagram. We'll go from there. Other than that, oh, almost forgot. That fish just reminded me. I want to give a special shout out to Aim at Me Johnson. She was working out in the corner of, I believe it was the First in Madison today. She was out there selling fish. Not these fish, but you know, she's a certified hooker, and she likes to hook fish. So I ended up buying a few off of her. Gonna be eating these tonight. Hopefully when I clean it up and all that other crap, there's no crabs on it. But anyways, thanks for coming in, checking out this quick haul. Hopefully next week is a better one. Again, thanks for coming in. Guys and gals, have a good one. Cheers.